Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by checking essentials, device OS, storage, and whether you want a free or paid plan. Once done, open your app store or browser and search for a reputable VPN browser. Tap Install or Add Extension. Make sure permissions requested match network use. Once installation starts, watch for account prompts. Create an account if required or skip sign-in for basic modes. This gets you past setup and into the first connection attempt without delay. You now configure the browser's VPN features. First, pick a server region or use the Smart Auto Connect that balances speed and access. Next, enable critical protections like the kill switch, DNS leak protection, and automatic HTTPS upgrade to secure traffic. Then choose a protocol. Automatic is fine, UDP is faster, TCP is more stable, so adjust based on your needs. Make sure to save settings and perform a quick test. You finish by validating that content works. Browse, stream, and check geolocation-sensitive sites. If speeds are poor, switch to a closer server, change protocol, or restart the browser and device to clear stalled routes. If a site blocks you, clear cookies and cache, enable obfuscated mode if available, or try another region. If problems persist, toggle the kill switch off temporarily to isolate the issue and contact the VPN browser's support with logs. That resolves most final issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.